Recovering vintage software from a Psion organizer and want to read its OPL source code? This is the basic-like programming language that powered countless Psion and early Symbian applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through viewing and working with these OPL source code files. When we reach the final stage, we'll shift gears. We are going to maximize results with a single highly effective OPL file inspection program that provides coverage for a wide range of formats. Users searching for OPL files are typically developers or hobbyists dealing with legacy code for Psion and Symbian OS devices. Their goal is to view, edit, or compile these source code files to create applications for these early mobile platforms, often using emulators or vintage hardware. An OPL file is a plain text file containing source code written in the OPL language, a basic-like procedural language. The design prioritizes simplicity and readability, allowing developers to quickly write event-driven applications with access to the device's built-in databases, graphics, and communication features. The anticipated software for loading OPL is Psion OPL Development Suite created by Psion plc. To enable complex features within the file, a dedicated proprietary application is necessary. Windows cannot interpret scripting languages automatically, requiring the proper toolset. The problem is often a missing file hook. Right-click the OPL file and choose Open With. Start with Psion OPL Development Suite if available. If not, select another application from the list. If you still cannot open your OPL file, that is okay. Since the initial fixes failed, we need to treat this as a deep technical challenge. Execute these key tests on common failure points to find where the problem begins. First, viewing source code. Open OPL files in any text editor, including Visual Studio Code, Notepad++, or Sublime Text to read the source code. Configure syntax highlighting for BASIC if available, since OPL shares many keywords with BASIC dialects. The plain text format remains readable on modern systems, even though the runtime environment is largely obsolete. Next, compiling for Psion. Use the original Psion OPL compiler on a Psion device or in Cywin emulator software to translate OPL source into bytecode runnable on Psion hardware. The OPL translator validates syntax and produces compiled programs. Modern Psion enthusiasts maintain emulators that run OPL programs on contemporary Windows and Mac systems for vintage computing projects. Finally, modern alternatives. For new development on similar handheld devices, migrate OPL logic to modern languages like Python or Lua, which provide similar ease of use with broader platform support. The OPL community has documented language references and porting guides, helping translate vintage Psion programs into running implementations on modern smartphones and computing devices. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.